The project, which is called Above and Below, is trying to understand how signatures of life could be preserved on an ocean world, like Europa or Enceladus. These are moons around Jupiter and Saturn. So for the past 30 years, we've been interested in understanding how microbes survive in ice on Earth. And this has involved traveling to locations such as Antarctica and Greenland, where we can actually directly study these kinds of environments. And what we've learned, wherever there's ice with a little bit of water in it, there's life. And that has sort of led to the idea that if under these conditions on Earth that life can find a foothold, then it might also be possible that very similar places on other worlds could also harbor life. In terms of life forms, we're really thinking about preservation of microbes because we believe those are the kinds of organisms that we have the best chance of finding. And not only are we looking at microbes themselves, but we're looking at the kinds of molecules that might be left behind even if you couldn't find just a microbe. To do this research, we have to simulate conditions that are space-like. That means very low temperatures. That means low pressures because there's no atmosphere in space. And that means high amounts of radiation flux. So Clipper is actually the largest spacecraft that we've ever sent into deep space. And what it's going to be doing over the next decade is mapping the surface of Europa. And the data that we're generating is setting the stage for allowing those kinds of experiments to happen.